a river restoration company, bridge builder, and concrete specialty contractor. We like the durability in the river environment. You know, a lot of times we are tracking through water, through sand, through gravel. Our equipment takes a beating, and I think Komatsu equipment holds up better than the rest. Well, the operators, you know, they're all pretty picky, but I think the consensus is they would all rather be in a Komatsu piece of equipment. As technology grows, we have to grow with it, and Komatsu's been the best fit for that.
It's just all around good machine. The wheel loaders are nice. We actually just purchased a 380 loader, and it's by far the nicest loader I've ever been in. It keeps track of your loads. It tells you how much weight you have in your bucket. There's so many features on that thing. There's probably still stuff on there I don't even know what it does yet.